Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best deviled eggs recipe. First, select large, fresh eggs for optimal flavor and texture. Carefully place them in a single layer in a saucepan, then add enough cold water to cover them by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a full, rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, immediately remove the pan from the heat, cover it tightly, and let the eggs sit for exactly 12 minutes. This method ensures perfectly cooked yolks every time. After the 12 minutes, quickly transfer your eggs to an ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and makes them much easier to peel. Let them chill for at least 5 minutes. Once cooled, gently tap each egg on a hard surface and roll it to create small cracks all over the shell. Peel them under cool, running water for the smoothest removal. Slice each egg in half lengthwise and carefully scoop the vibrant yolks into a small bowl, setting the whites aside. Now for the delicious filling. Take those beautiful yolks and mash them completely smooth with a fork. You want absolutely no lumps. Next, add 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard, and a small pinch of salt to the mashed yolks. Mix everything together thoroughly until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. This creates the rich, flavorful base for your deviled eggs. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpieces. You can either spoon the creamy yolk mixture back into the hollowed egg white halves, or, for more elegant presentation, pipe it in using a pastry bag. Once filled, garnish each deviled egg with a light sprinkle of paprika for color and a touch of fresh chopped chives for a hint of oniony flavor. These are best served chilled. For more great tips and to explore other ways to enrich your life, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals. Enjoy your perfect deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.